I want to discuss in this video how President Trump might be set to initiate the GameStop squeeze, which might then lead to the AMC squeeze. I also want to discuss the intriguing trend of Wall Street experts becoming more optimistic about AMC. Let's go right to the important details now. First, as you may have seen, the official White House account on Twitter tweeted, "Power to the players" in response to this quoted statement from GameStop. Not only that, but Elon Musk responded with the American flag, which will be fascinating. I'll discuss it in a moment. However, there were also more back-and-forth tweets. In reaction to another official verified account, Rapid Response 47, North GameStop tweeted this image of President Trump and clearly Master Chief from Halo. Thus, it wasn't a single tweet. The White House account tweeted several times, as did Rapid Response 47, GameStop, Elon Musk, and a few other people. I wanted to tell you about Healthcare Triangle, the sponsor of today's film, before I go into further detail about Trump's scheme to squeeze the shorts. Mark the NASDAQ symbol for HCTI trading. You should absolutely keep an eye on it for a quick one tomorrow, as it has already increased 15% over the past month. HCTI offers prefabricated cloud platforms, security and compliance services, and AI analytical tools to help the healthcare sector, including hospitals, providers, payers, and pharmaceutical companies. They just signed a letter of intent to purchase Tame AI, which would increase their total revenue by $34 million and their EBITDA by $4.2 million in just 2025. Healthcare Triangle also unveiled its Quantum Nexus AI data platform in May, which unifies data from clinical research and administrative systems to expedite business procedures for healthcare organizations that cannot afford errors. Numerous successful case studies from major healthcare organizations that have used HCTI services, from guaranteeing high availability of vital data to enabling safe data sharing among pharmaceutical providers, can be seen on their website. HCTI handles everything. Investigate Healthcare Triangle, which is currently listed on the NASDAQ with the ticker name HCTI. Let's start by addressing the obvious. As you may have noticed, GameStop managed to close the day in the red despite having a gap up in the pre-market. I find it astounding that, according to Spence, President Trump may tweet anything about China, for instance, and the market as a whole can gain or lose more than $1 trillion in a single day. With a single tweet, he can simultaneously change the S&P 500, every single firm, or at least the 500 largest U.S. companies by 1 or 2%. However, despite numerous tweets, GameStop was unable to gain more than a few percent, and it ended the day in the negative. According to Spence's tweet, this is evidence that GameStop is totally controlled by brokers and market makers. He claimed that a post from Trump, Musk, the White House, and others would have caused any other stock to soar. He claimed that these short sellers could not afford to settle the billions of fake shares that are probably buried somewhere. Therefore, let's also provide some justification and explanation for why President Trump could genuinely wish to apply pressure. First of all, we already know that Trump and Ken Griffin have a fascinating relationship. You may recall the YouTube video of Trump's pre-presidential speech in which he asked where Ken Griffin was and claimed that he was normally off hiding his money. Perhaps there's already some animosity there. Perhaps there is some contempt between President Trump and Ken Griffin, and it can be a really clever way to exact retribution. Furthermore, we are aware that the White House and President Trump have recently made investments in a number of businesses. They made an investment in Intel. They made investments in businesses that produce rare earth minerals. Additionally, they are making numerous investments in various U.S. businesses in an effort to restore American dominance. Furthermore, if President Trump or the White House had invested in GameStop, initiating the GameStop squeeze would be a great method to reduce part of the U.S. debt. In 2008, during the crunch, Volkswagen briefly became the most valuable corporation in the world. NVIDIA is currently the most valued corporation, with a valuation close to $5 trillion. I'm confident that almost everyone in the U.S. would approve of the White House and President Trump miraculously coming up with an additional $5 trillion to pay down the U.S. debt. Furthermore, this aligns perfectly with Roaring Kitty's emoji history, which is really intriguing. Things I haven't discussed in a long time. Naturally, a lot of us assumed that we had already reached the squeeze's fire and explosion stage, which comes right before the cheers part. But now, as the French ape has noted, we're probably at the American flag stage because Elon Musk expressly responded with that American flag in addition to the White House tweet stating that the players were powered. The president is now speaking, and Elon Musk is using the American flag to emphasize his points. Thus, there's still a few steps left before the squeeze. Personally, I would really like to see this picture come to pass in the near future. For the time being, we have an artificial intelligence, AI, image of CNN reporting that President Trump is signing the executive order for the GameStop mother of all short squeezes. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, Wall Street analysts are now turning positive on AMC, officially rating the stock as a strong buy. This makes for some very fascinating timing. Zacks rank, which is based on AMC's forward 12-month consensus EPS, which, as you can see, has been increasing quarter over quarter for a few years, is a strong buy for AMC, according to Yahoo, which has an impressive, excellently audited track record. Additionally, Zacks ranks anticipate that the EPS will simply keep rising. Once more, they anticipate that AMC's income will rise by 6.1% and 5.8% the following year and the year after. Even specifically, Biotech Moose has highlighted how AMC has positive cash flow, particularly when considering operations. This indicates that AMC's operating cash flow, particularly in the second quarter of 2025, is positive $138 million based only on their earnings and losses, sales, and expenses. Naturally, the cash flow varies when you account for share issues, debt repayment, interest payments, and other expenses. But from an operational standpoint, AMC is profitable every quarter. Once more, I won't go over every screenshot that Biotech Moose has shared here. His due diligence and estimates regarding AMC's ability to repay its debt by 2030 are really intriguing. As previously said, I won't go into detail about every calculation in this video, but I will include a link to Biotech Moose's tweet in the explanation below. However, as you are well aware, shorts are avoided as AMC continues to reduce its debt, becomes debt-free and interest-free, and increases its profits and cash flows. Now, I am aware that the interview with Ryan Cohen and Charles Payne took place a few weeks ago, but Reese's Politics has highlighted something really intriguing that was discussed in that conversation. When asked how GameStop intends to spend the $9 billion in funding, Ryan Cohen clearly paused for a very long time before responding. In essence, this means that GameStop is holding off on investing the $9 billion until there is a market meltdown or other kind of decline. It will be fascinating to watch where Ryan leads GameStop, whether he completely transforms it into a cryptocurrency treasury like to MicroStrategy or as other ideas for investments. The GameStop warrants currently have an open short position, which is another really intriguing development that truly illustrates the lengths short sellers will go to in an attempt to suppress GameStop. 2 million shares of GameStop warrants are being shorted by someone. A warrant isn't really a proper kind of security or a proper type of share, thus it's odd that warrants can be shorted. You just have an opportunity to purchase additional GameStop shares